Hello, everyone. My name is Senjimana Jean-Pierre. So let's talk about the component of electronic health record which support direct clinical care. The first one is computerized physician order entry. This is a clinical software that is largely designed to automate physician ordering process in which physician will now create patient order electronically rather than using papers. The primary advantages of computerized physician order entry is that it reduces medical errors. Furthermore, computerized physician order entry reduced transcriptions, increased accurate and the completeness, and it also can enter order in multiple locations. Computerized physician order entry, on the other hand, can result in medication errors due to defective computer interference, communication with the other systems, and lack of proper decision support. It may also face the common human faults such as the lack of experience, distractions, and also typing errors. The second one is the electronic documentation. It is used to enter patients' needs in the computer. So it is used to record notes such as the histories and the consultation notes. The pharmacy system is used to keep the drugs formulary updated. So the nursing component enables the correcting of crucial patient information such as the vital signs. The clinical components has the increased care delivery quality and the reduced medical errors. The challenge that may develop include loss of productivity because nurses may not have may not have sufficient skills in using electronic health record system. Also, nurses may be unable to adapt to change, and the work performance may be reduced as a result. So let us see what are the two components of electronic health record that support administrative process. So patient management, the first one is the patient management component. It is mostly used for patient registration, admissions, and the discharge function. It contains vital patient information. This information comprise the patient's medical records, numbers, names, and the demographic. This facilitates access to his or her medical record. The medical record number is utilized in observation, assessment, and the diagnosis. It is beneficial to have access to their medical record. Some of the difficulties encountered include poor network connection, which can also down the service provided. Furthermore, keeping privacy data may be also difficult. The second one is the laboratory components. It is utilized to obtain the laboratory information of the patient through the use of electronic health record. It records the laboratory result by capturing data. This facilitates patient and the clinical access to the laboratory data. It is difficult for the hospital to adjust for the system use. It could also take a long time. Errors can arise when recording laboratory data for the patient as a result, as a challenge of laboratory component. Let us see what are the importance of integrating of administrative and the clinical areas for effective use electronic health record. So the first one, it improve healthcare through connection and the communication between patient and the healthcare provider. The second one, it increased the provision of accurate update and the comprehensive patient information. It also enhanced quick access to patient record for more efficient care. It also improved the clinical decision making by combining patient data from the multiple sources. Thank you for paying attention for this video.